Just wait for 2 minutes. Let the others also join. No, they will come back. Satvik. Yeah, Aryan, what is your doubt? Aryan?
Sir, in a question D, why it is 13 millimeter?
In which one?
D question.
Acha, D question, why it was? Acha, D question.
13 millimeter.
Because it 12th completely
Yes.
you can see, right? And after that, the entire one smaller division is being crossed out. No, is being passed. Okay, so
Yes.
next coinciding division will be 13 because exact 0 is coinciding. Okay.
So yes. So in C there the answer should be 12.96.
No, how it will be 12.9? See, it is the 50th division, na? Anyhow. Even if I go after
C
49,
question
C.
C.
No, C exact your 0 is not coinciding, no? In that case, it was 11, and then the next division was your 47th division. So we have a
Sir,
division
to in C
not
the
exact.
MSR should be
It is 11. C question. It is 11
why
mm,
not 12?
and this was foot. No, how will I take 12? If I take 12 and I take this value, it will be more than 12, no? So it will be between 12 and 13. Do you think the value is between 12 and 13? The value should lie between 11 and 12,
No, sir.
and it is much more closer to the 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then chalo, let's quickly move on for the rest of the questions. We have some 5-10 minutes left. Okay, so who is the one who's going to answer the next question? Yeah, Kushi.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me the E part.
Yes, sir. So the MSR reading is 7,
Okay.
and the CSR reading is
Is how much?
4 into 1 by 50.
4 into 1 by 50. That will be how much?
So that will be 0.08.
0.08 mm, right?
Yes, sir. So the total reading will be 7.08 millimeter.
Okay, cool. So final answer is 7.08.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Chalo, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, next one. Yeah, Vansh.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Chalo, quickly tell me the next one.
Sir, the MSR would be
Yeah,
15,
it's how much?
15 mm.
Yeah, it's 15 mm. Then
Sir, the CSR would be 9 into 1 by 50,
so 9 into 1 by 50. That will be how much?
0.18 mm.
0.18. Okay. So the final answer is
Sir, so the actual reading will be 15.18 mm.
chalo, fine. Perfect. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think so the answers are clear how to calculate. I'll just shortly I will just define what are your zero errors. Will that be okay? Or you need some few questions? Yeah, Sudhanshu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the G part.
In G, the MSR is 14.
Okay, it is 14 mm. Then what is your CSR?
CSR is 31 into 1 by 50.
And that will be how much?
0.62.
0.62. Okay, so final
So
answer
we'll
will be
add it, so 14.62.
chalo, 14.62 will be the final one. Okay, yeah, chalo. Thank you. Okay, so the next one, who is going to say?
Can I?
No, Sudhanshu. Why I'm seeing only the. Okay, fine. Aditya? Yeah, bit of. Yeah, can you speak now? Just speak a bit. Yeah, you're audible. Tell me, H. It's not bit clear, Aditya. Arnav? Arnav, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the H1.
Sir, the MSR would be
MSR is
3.
how much?
3.
3 mm. Okay. Then what is CSR?
And the CSR is 35 into 1 by 50.
35 into 1 by 50. Okay. That is how much?
Yes, sir. Just a second. 0.7 mm.
0.7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So final answer is
Sir, 3.7
3.7. Okay.
mm.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm just relying that you all are giving the right answers. Yeah, Arav, what is your doubt?
Sir, in the G, sir, it should be 13.62, no?
11, 12, 13. Okay. Sorry. I wrote 14. It's 13. It's 11, 12, 13. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Thanks for correcting it. Wait a minute. I'll just erase that part. Okay. So MSR is 13.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Then CSR is same, which is your 0.62, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the final answer will be then
13.62.
13.62. Yeah, correct. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, any other doubt? No problem, Shrishta. Okay, Arav, what is your doubt? Arav?
Sir, what are those bottom markings
Which
that
one?
that 0, 5, 10 are written no below that?
These one?
Yes,
These are
sir.
nothing but the mid values of this. If it is
Okay.
0, 1, then this will be 0.5.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bhavin? Bhavin, can you hear me? Bhavin, you're there? Not able to hear you. Yeah, Tanishka, what is your doubt?
Sir, I'm confused how to find CSR. I'm always doing it wrong.
Okay, so for question I, you just try.
Sir, MSR will be 5
Okay.
and CSR
CSR will be? It is your first division, na? Just see the horizontal line. This one. Yeah, Tanishka?
yes sir.
So that is your 1.
Yes sir.
So that will be 1 into, and your least count was 1 by 50, correct?
1 by 50.
So that will be nothing but 0.02.
Yes sir.
Okay, that will be
The
5.02.
answer will be 5.02. Yes sir.
Actually,
Got
in
it.
this diagram, it should have been 6 point, because here they have not made this line. Because if I look carefully for each and every division, you can see it is near to 6. So actually there is a
Okay,
mistake in
sir.
the diagram only. Okay, you can try for the
Okay,
J
sir.
part. You can try for the J
Yes
part.
sir.
Tell me for the J part. Yeah, what?
Sir, MSR will be 12.
Okay, correct. Then
CSR will be 0 into 150.
Okay, that will be 1 by 50.
Yes, sir.
0 into 1 by 50 is 1 by 50.
No, sir.
So how much it will
Sir,
be?
it's 0.
It will be 0. So what is your final answer then?
12 mm.
Yes, correct. It will be 12 mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I hope you all have solved this much questions. So next time, next class, we will just solve with, we will just go with the explanation of your zero error. Then we go with the questions of that. Not a problem. Yes, Satvik. What is your doubt? Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The last one seems to have a zero error because it is not correctly colliding in the end.
Which one? Yeah, it is having
Last question.
zero error. Yeah, it is having some zero error. Yes, Satvik. Vansh, what is your doubt?
I'm not
Vansh?
having any doubt.
Acha, okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Vansh, you are having the doubt?
actually I have joined now. So, sir, what have you teach after that reconnection?
No, I just explained the 4 examples. Like I just completed the question street G. Means you
Okay,
can say
sir.
the A part questions. That's it. Nothing else we did.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, Asini?
Sir, we have to leave now.
Yeah, you all can leave. Not a problem. What we will do, the next class, we'll just try to complete this. And I'll just tell you if you need to utilize that doubt session. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
सर्वेश काय डाऊट आहे तुला?
सर ते खालचे रीडिंग 0.5 मध्ये होते. तर एक क्वेश्चन मध्ये 13.5 नाही घेऊ शकत होते मेन स्केल रीडिंग.
कुठली वाली? कुठला क्वेश्चन?
हे बस सर.
कुठला वाला?
डी नाही तर ई होतं.
अच्छा, डी नाही तर ई होता. थांब वरती घे तुम्ही. अच्छा, या क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये?
हा सर. हा इकडे 13.5 नाही घेऊ शकत.
हा ना, याला आपण 13 घेऊ शकतो. 13 mm येणार इकडे.
तर 13.5 जास्त जवळ आहे खालचं रीडिंग.
म्हणजे तू बोलतोय की ते 12 आहे आणि हा ते 12.5 आहे.
हा
सो आपण 12.5 घेऊ शकतो असं?
हो.
हा, बट आपल्याला ही लोअर व्हॅल्यूज करंटली यूज नाही करायचे. आणि तो 12.5 पेक्षा पण जास्त आहे ना. So we exactly don't know where it is going to end. So better we take directly as 13 mm.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Aryan, just a minute. I'm just unmuting you. Aryan. Yeah, Aryan, what is your doubt?
Sir, why don't we take 0.5 values?
0.5 values?
Yes, and similarly in C, it can be 11.5 centimeter. No?
So in this case, you're saying we can take as 11.5 and we can move for this. But currently we are not using this lower scale values. In all the questions which are given in the worksheet, the main scale is related to only 1 millimeter readings. we are not subdivided as 0.5 mm. Whenever we take consider 0.5, that time we can take them into the measurements. But in this worksheet, the questions are formulated such that we are having just 1 millimeter scale.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Aryan?
Yes, sir. Got it.
In case we need to use 0.5, they will specify us. Yeah, Arav, what is your doubt?
Sir, in which one there was a zero error, sir?
Which one?
In which one there was a zero error?
So this question, this one, J part.
Yes,
Because the
sir.
zeros exactly coinciding, na?
And it is not coinciding with the main scale line.
Main scale, yeah. So that was having some zero error in it.
And sir, I had another doubt in the zero error case.
Hmm.
Sir, if the jaws are exactly with each other, and the zero is and it is marking 25 on CSR, so what will be the zero error, sir? Positive or negative?
It is marking where?
25, sir.
25, like you are talking about for the circular.
Yes, sir.
That 25 will be for the negative because we are moving from 0 to 24.
So,
if it is
0 to 24 would be positive.
positive and
25
above
to,
20, yeah, above 24 it will be negative.
Okay.
Yeah, others can leave who don't have any doubt. They can leave because after some time we will be having the next class.
Sir, but in a circular scale, 0 is just parallel to that side. No, of 25 to just parallel to 25. No, it is 0.
Yeah.
Sir, so why we take 25 as negative?
So if we take as because it is a higher value, no?
Yes, sir.
Because like what we talk about, you can say, yeah, you can take 25 because if it is diametrically exactly opposite,
Yes,
for
sir.
0,
Yes, sir.
then the exactly opposite end
Yes, sir.
will be 25.
Okay, so sir, 25 would be positive.
So after 25, more than 25, it will be your
Negative.
negative. Below 25 because the value has to be less.
Okay, sir.
Less than the half value.
Sir, so 25 is a positive or negative?
So exact 25 you won't ever get.
No, won't ever get, sir.
No. The difference in the scales will be max to max 10 divisions.
Okay, sir.
Because if you are getting 25, means that is a very huge gap.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so such cases of screw gauge are not usually designed, so they are considered as faulty.
So, sir, the questions will be mainly 15, 45, 30.
Yeah. 15 you can say, max to max 18. Not even 18. I haven't seen 18 also in any instruments. It can be 15, it can be 10, it can be 45, it can be 48 in that cases.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Yeah, Arushi, you can try for the zero errors of screw gauge, but I'm going to still explain it in the next class. But you can try if you are able to get, no problem. So others having any doubt, or should I end the meeting? Okay, fine. So just I'm ending the meeting. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience. Bye-bye. Take care.